or a strangle. I can't remember.
We're live. Disconnected my camera today because, well, it's doing it to itself. I'm not messing with that. I'm a little tired. But SPY up 0.3% in the pre-market. Surprised. Amazon down. A lot of red. Oh goodness! Coming into the day. I'm just gonna trade with the Discord today, and I'll be in and out. Nothing crazy. It's not gonna be too loud on Friday. I don't think. It's gonna be a pretty boring Friday.
Sure, but the panel pulled up with a credit. So what that means to me is I'm assuming that SPY won't go over 372 and it won't go under 359 today.
Yes, correct.
Right.
And my credit is $2.28, which means if it doesn't go under 359 and doesn't go over 372, I keep $228.
Yes, but you have unlimited risk in that because you're writing naked options.
Max
So
loss
like an
is
iron
infinite.
condor would write
shit.
like what's the top? What did you say the call was? Like 372?
372, yes, sir.
So then you would buy the 373 and you would buy the what'd you say on the bottom? 359?
Yes.
Then you buy the 358 maybe. And that minimizes your risk. Most people on this call I don't think could write the two naked options like you're talking about, because you have to have a pretty high options level and a lot of money in reserve just in case the market goes sideways.
Okay. Well, let's try that.
So then your 250 in premium probably drops to, $1, but still it's $1.
Then you can do 10 contracts, make it $1,000.
So how would I sell a put that I don't own?
See that? Okay, so you'd have to, in order for you to sell a put that you don't own, you would have to have the cash to cover that, and it would turn into a covered call essentially, or covered put essentially. So if I sold a put that I don't own for the 359 strike, I'd have to have 35.9K in cash.
I don't have that.
Nope.
But if you sell the 359 and you buy the 358, you'd only need 1,000 cash.
30 seconds.
And I don't think I can do that with just level 2.
Well, it's basically you're basically doing spreads. That's what that is. You're just doing two of them, one on each side. And level 2 should let you do spreads.
So so you're setting up an iron condor, correct?
Yeah, I mean the only difference is an iron condor is a two-leg spread, one on the top, one on the bottom, instead of just doing a spread on the top or a spread on the bottom. That's how I understand. I could be wrong.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do some research, and then Corgo, I'm gonna get back to you on that because I'm curious.
All right.
You know what?
Yo, good morning.
Good morning, Michael. How are you, brother?
I'm here.
Good. I'm glad to hear that. All right. Can you sell a call and a put?
Yeah, I was Googling stuff all night, trying to figure out if this would work.
Same expiration. Okay. A short straddle is an option strategy comprised of selling both a call and a put option with the same strike price and expiration date. It's used when a trader believes the underlying asset will not move significantly higher or lower. It's a short straddle. But that opens me up to unlimited risk.
Yeah, a long straddle, you're at risk for what you bought, right?
Right, because that straddle could go to infinite numbers. There's no.
But again, if you cover both of those, I think you jump into iron condor and you're not short anything, but you give up premium because you have to buy the two other calls, or the two other options, I should say.
Okay, I understand. I'm picking up what's being put down. All right, let's see what the Tesla cover call gang is going to look like today.
I'm not sure you want to write covered calls today.
No, I'm not. Yeah, if I did, it'd be for like $200. I don't even think that's. God, the theta is more. The theta is the exact amount of the contract value. Love that.
Yeah, of course, because it's going to expire today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Means it's going to start expiring by the second here.
Unless it expires in money.
This is true, but Tesla would have to go from 640 to 680 today, and I don't know if that is possible for Tesla today.
That's probably possible, my guy.
I mean, no, it is possible. It's not probable.
They're already up $8.50 there, Clayton.
All right. Well, you let me know when it hits 680, Sawyer, and I'll tell my covered calls.
Okay.
All right. And if it doesn't hit 680, then you owe me the difference.
So if you look at investors chat,
Sawyer goes,
Hey, Montana, are you in here?
I am.
Morning, Montana.
Are you doing anything yet?
Friggin' stuck
Morning.
in traffic. No.
For once, SPY did not make a move overnight.
that's what I'm saying. That's what I was expecting. Some kind of move, because that would move other underlyings. And nothing. Nothing. Just garbage move. Just
Wait
silent.
What
Yo,
are we all looking
I'm
at
back.
today? Anything?
who's back?
I'm looking at this huge downward
RT.
channel that SPY's in on the 15-minute channel.
Wait, hold on. Who's back?
I think Clayton's
I'm
buying
back.
snow this morning.
Someone give me a blind play to get
Dude,
into.
okay. Oh, is that 45? What's up, Beast?
I'm back.
Welcome back, baby.
In the car,
Wait,
man.
hold
I
on.
can't look at my charts. I just needed to.
That's up $2.
I think it
Mr.
looks.
Connections, I am not buying snow.
Oh, come on, Clay. I thought that was your baby.
Yeah, snow is 100% my favorite stock. Yes, love that stock.
Yeah, right from open. SPY's up $2.
Yep.
365 to 367.
We like that. Covered call on SPY incoming.
Sorry, I rounded up.
Nah, you know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna be. I
No, you're
way
right.
overperformed on covered calls today. I'm gonna chill or this week.
Yeah, I would. If I'm in your shoes, Clay, I would maybe hold it because
I'm not. The only time I would do a cover call today is if we do if SPY hits 380 today, I'll do a cover call. Same day expiration. Yeah, that would take all fucking day. But we do have a local support at 36408. And we are not hitting it. And we're actually getting bought up here. So maybe 36408 was our bottom. Ram's bottom.
No.
Yeah. So my bigger money guys keep telling me that 350 is our bottom. I'm like, I don't know how the hell you came up with that. It must be.
hope is not a strategy.
I tell them that. I got a bunch of dudes message me and they're just like, Clayton, look, here's my buy-in point. Here's how much money I'm putting in. I'm like, why 350? They're like, listen, it's the number. I'm like, oh, yeah, you know what? I've heard that too. You've been in the game as long as I have. You'll understand what I understand. I'm like, okay, well, that doesn't fucking tell me
Alright,
anything.
I'm gonna go long on Apple. Apple.
Alright, Montana, I'm sending you my chart.
You know what that looks like, Sawyer?
What?
Oh,
The piece of art, Clayton, okay?
that's what you tell yourself.
Nah. He's got the Ripster clouds, a local demand zone. I see. He's got a zone forming. I mean, I'm not sure what's going on down there, but
No, I just
he's
love
working
making.
with.
Are you
I
talking
just
about
love.
the green?
I just
Yeah.
love making fun of Sawyer's charts.
That
favorite.
there's like a 4-hour support all the way back, like last.
Oh, no. I
Year
was talking about like
sometime
the
then.
lines. The lines down there. Not sure what that is.
Which line's the yellow one?
Yellow and purple ones. Above.
Okay, I don't have any purple lines. What purple line? Oh, that's an RSI indicator. That's a
Bladen.
no.
So I started studying like the simple charts, like the simple lines that make sense and stuff. And some of these plays actually work. Like heads and shoulders reverse and stuff. If you know what I'm talking about.
45. You are really quiet, brother, but I can hear you. And yeah, I mean these are chart patterns that lots and lots of people use. It's kind of funny. I had one of my buddies tell me that if you ever walk into, which is why I'm like confused about TA sometimes, but if you like one of my buddies was telling me about a Goldman Sachs interview for a trading, like a direct asset management and trading position, and he watched a guy walk in and pitch a deployment of technical analysis via a slew of indicators that he was using, and the interviewer told him to get the fuck out.
That's funny and awesome.
And I was like, well, why did that happen? He's like, you think Goldman Sachs gives a shit about some day trader's technical analysis? And I was like, I don't know. Wasn't that what he was hired for? But it's but I mean, but here's the difference. Like, I don't know what that kid was spitting, but you listen to Logan and Austin, dude. Shit, like once you understand what's coming out of their mouth, which that's difficult in and of itself. Those guys are smart as fuck. Then
Yeah, there's a lot of things I didn't understand when I first got into here. Like I looked into it, but it didn't like fully hit me, you know?
no, I'm with it 100%. There is so much about TA that when Logan and Austin start talking, it is so far above my understanding. I'm sitting there like I don't know what algebra is. Yo, Michael, congratulations, baby. Run that shit up, mama.
What happened?
You gotta look at the investors lounge, homie. You gotta be up to date. You gotta have that chat up.
Oh, nice.
Now I can sell a covered
So-
call at expiration for like $2.
What are the let's look at the TQ.
Did you buy 100 shares?
Yes, sir. Well, I mean, I've been trying to. I finally
Very
got
nice.
it. Are there any 0 days for TQQ? Oh yeah, there
Yeah,
is.
June 17th, cover calls. Yeah, no, I wouldn't do that.
Nah, yeah, no.
You know what?
You could sell covered puts.
I mean, you could sell covered puts. Yes, absolutely. Sawyer, you're going to meet Josh soon, but Josh is sitting right next to me, and that's what he was talking to me about this morning.
Covered puts. That'd be no
Yeah.
different than just.
I don't
long
think level
leaps
2 will
up.
let you sell covered puts.
Should
I
I
mean,
try it?
that
is correct.
Are you?
That is correct.
Michael, are you on a cash account or a margin account?
Cash.
Nope.
Yeah, I don't think you'll be able to do that.
Nope. Can't do it.
Sergio Hansen, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Bladen, how's my mic's on now?
Better.
Might be
better.
hearing calls on SPY.
Are we going to see Bitcoin below 20 today? Maybe.
You know what I could do? I could sell 100 covered calls at a 24 strike and make $1,000.
Has Bitcoin not dipped below 20,000 yet?
It's getting there.
No, it got pretty close. It got to
It got to like
20,000.
20,069.
Yeah, I see at $100 above 20,000. That's nuts.
Yeah, we might go below 20 today.
No, Bitcoin also not like a bad indicator to use too, since they correlate with the market so evenly now.
So,
Clay, I'd maybe hold on your covered calls. I'm guessing I think TQQ is going to hit 24 today.
I would no,
I'm
I'm not doing anything right now. I'm just sitting watching. Right now what I have to do is I have to update my management documents. So I'm kind of just sitting doing that, watching the market chat with you guys. TQQ is actually doing quite well movement at the moment. A good
All
movement.
right, looking at my TA today.
What's your
You
TA
might-
telling you?
Gap fill. even though the
Gap
gap's
fill?
not even that big. It's a whopping like 20-cent gap. I don't even
Yo,
know.
that's
I don't know if you
huge.
consider that the gap. Okay, hold up.
There's gaps for when
I have a
we fell
question.
below.
Who's really good with like gap questions?
Logan,
Montana.
homie. Logan.
I know
I mean,
Logan is, but he's not
Montana may be
here. Logan's
may
too
be able
good
to
to be in
answer you.
here.
Montana may be able to answer you, but
What's your
Montana's on the
question
phone.
about the gap?
Okay, so we gapped down right after we had our whatever bet event the next day. Would the gap start from the 378.18 down to the 370.86?
Where would you start at? What was your point?
378.18.
Good. Dead cat bounce.
No, your gap is all the way up at 380.
Mhm.
I don't think he could.
Where it starts.
380.
I won't call.
I think we're going to close green today. Pretty good green day today.
Why would it
Think
start
so?
all the way up there, Montana?
That's just
I
where
guess.
the gap is on the chart. I'm looking at it. The gap goes all the way 380.
Oh,
I
really?
don't know. If you the best place to see gaps is going to be TradingView.
Yeah, I'm on TradingView, but mine.
Okay.
I guess what time frame are you on when you look at your gaps?
I'm just on a 5-minute, and I just pulled it back, and I see there's a gap all the way 380. Go on the 5-minute.
Yes.
And let me make sure I'm looking at SPY.
At 14:55. I don't know why I have military time. I see 378 like 80. Where we closed.
80. I don't know. I'll show you the picture.
Bing bong.
Bing bong.
Bing bong, bing bong.
All right, SPY's right on my pivot point for the upside today, but needs
I'm
to
up.
get over this level here.
I'm up $8 on that straddle.
I'm up
Nice.
$45
Sell
right now.
the put leg. I think all of us are about to get longs, but or most of us are
Sell
gonna
the
get.
put leg.
Do whatever you wish. I don't know if straddle would be the best idea to have.
I don't know what
Yeah.
the.
I mean, it's only like at max, I'm gonna lose $20 on it.
Right, because each leg was dirt cheap.
Yeah, basically. So I mean, I'm willing to risk that $20 if it keeps going up.
And you're up $8. So you're up like
Uh,
40% on the straddle, or is the other leg down?
So the put is down 79%. The call is up 121%.
Okay, you're
It's at
still
$9.
up. So you're still up like 40% though.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're talking. All right.
VIX is just getting crushed this morning. We're down up 4% already.
All right, I think I'm gonna enter a call here. Let this SPY can overtrace a little bit.
Google calls are cheap if you're looking right now.
Yeah, Bull just took a Google call this morning.
Did he? Oh.
Yeah, he took the June 17th 2190s at 225.
It's
They're already up
exactly
to
what I was
$3.
looking at too. Yeah, because they're only $2-something, and that is possible. That's my target. If it breaks out over 2159, I have 2190's target. So those would be pretty much in the fucking money. I can't even imagine how much it'd be worth then for Google, you know? Few hundred, maybe 1,000.
Yeah, I'm trying to enter a fucking call.
Hey, Clayton.
Sure, yes, sir.
I'm up 18% right now
On.
MU.
All right.
36%. 27.
All right.
The real question for Clayton
Uh-oh.
is, will you be running covered calls on Fridays?
As of right now, no.
God, I love you.
No, I appreciate you very much. I love you too. Now, Dakota, here's do me a favor. So yesterday, were you in the live call for my just disgustingly immature response to everything that was happening?
Maybe, maybe not.
Okay, yesterday I covered the entire portfolio, and Theta crushed every single contract up to about 98%.
Oh yeah.
And Tesla's print. Okay, yo, Dakota, you're gonna love, bro. You're gonna love this. Do you have any interest in holding anything in Tesla? Let me ask you that first.
Is it like for a client account, long term, like what?
Either
In
or.
general,
In general.
I would hold Tesla. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Let me give you a god scenario.
Okay.
Okay, so go to January 19, 2024 expiration. Let me know when you're there.
All right, January 24. Hold on, Tesla. What year did you say?
January 19th, 2024.
Okay, thank you. And what strike?
Look at the 620 strike, 0.7 delta.
Yep, see it.
So that is less than half of what 100 shares would cost.
Yeah.
My 100 shares of Tesla covered call premium wise is doing about $400 to $600 a day, almost. I'm day trading covered calls. So let me give you an example. So that costs $23K, right? Let's say I make that's 76. That is 76 weeks away, Dakota. Let's say I make $1,000 in covered calls every week. That would mean I'd be making 76 grand by the time that I'd have to get to expiration for that long call, and that long call would be deep in the money by January 19th, 2024.
Yeah.
So
I'm hit.
even if that Tesla call went to zero, I've got 76 weeks of short-term cash flow, $1,000 plus per week.
Yeah, exactly.
So that would mean I'd make 76 grand sub the 25K. If the 75K or if the 25K were to just disappear, I'd still be net positive 50 G's, which is a 2X.
I love it.
So that's my little Tesla play for everybody who wants Tesla and doesn't want to spend money for 100 shares. All right.
I love it.
I'm glad. I'm very glad. That makes me very happy, my good times. I'm also looking at the potential market value of my long calls for TQQ. I put no money down to get this total price. This is disgusting. I love this.
Clayton, can I borrow you at some point today?
Let me pull up my itinerary for the day. Where's my calendar? Okay. Are you okay with? Shit, I can't talk at the gym because it's a private club. Can you talk for 30 minutes at 12 o'clock?
Yes.
Okay, I've got 30-minute window at 12 o'clock to 12:30.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Call me at 12, please.
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Everything green.
Bing bong.
Bing bong.
I'm going to sound like a total commie bear, but hashtag dead cat bounce.
I think it's only for today, though.
Only for today. Only
We'll
for
see
today.
a 3-day weekend. Everything's going to go to shit.
We're going to open up on Tuesday.
It's predictable, though, right? I mean, you've had these massive down days, which is probably at least partially because of short positions, and people are not going to carry those short positions into a 3-day weekend.
What's it, 6 days in a row?
That's why I want to get. That's what I want to. I mean, short positions into a 3-day weekend, but they also don't want to carry bullish positions into a 3-day weekend. What if Putin does something stupid this weekend and we wake up and spies at 300 on Tuesday?
Putin couldn't do anything more stupid than our own government, in my opinion.
True.
And that's where we're going to end the conversation because I agree.
Y'all seen that guy light a whole street on fire?
Oh my God, no.
He
No.
he put a tarp in the back of his pickup. It's like a fucking little tiny Tacoma. Put a tarp in the back, filled that shit up with gas, and
Oh,
people
that video's old.
Is it?
It's very old. Yeah.
I just saw it.
Yeah. No, it's old.
That's crazy.
Yeah, they caught him or something. They were talking to him, and he just decided to drive away. Fucking, it spilled out all over the road. Set a whole street on fire.
That's wild.
Yeah, I can tell you right now that thing is old.
That has to be really old because at $5 a gallon, no one's doing that.
That is a great point. That is a great point.
At $5 a gallon, you can't even fill the crate up on the back of your bicycle.
All right, guys, we got 25% of my Aapl calls so far. The trade I took so far today, but I have my charts now, so.
Man, I'm
Yeah,
trying to
it
see
looks
some
good.
moves on MU.
I
What
tried
are you in
getting
again, Rave? You're in
FISCAL.
puts right
I'm-
now?
I'm holding
No,
the
I'm in
straddle.
calls.
I'm up $12.
I'm up 30% right now, 20%. 20, 30.
Hold on. Guys, give me 2 seconds.
Go
15.
30%. Oh yeah, these are busting. Let's go.
I'm up 70%. Shit, next time I can just buy 10 of these contracts and just let them sit.
What's that?
Oh, I did kind of like a smooth brain straddle last night. I grabbed a at the money call and put for BAC, like 20 bucks a
nice.
piece, and I'm up $15.
Oh yeah.
I figured one way or the other, we're gonna see some movement.
We're looking at the market. It's going to be green today, or it's going to be red, or it's just going to be flat.
We're gonna have a pretty green day today, in my opinion.
Yeah, I'm thinking a very green day today.
I mean, we're already up a percentage on SPY at least.
I
Yeah,
haven't seen SPY.
I mean, but you got to think we've been dropping like 2-3% daily.
That is true, yeah.
Yeah, I mean the VIX is dropping, so we probably won't get a 3% swing, but I'm guessing we'll probably end up 2.5 today.
Cool.
I'm looking for it to retouch this supply zone up here, getting close. So I'll probably pick up some puts then, and then that'll be it.
Oh my goodness. These are very nice.
There's 20 bucks. May go ahead and just sell the call and put.
Oh yeah, Clayton.
Oh, that doesn't count for cash flow.
I'm getting paid today again.
Hey, is
Yes,
your put worthless yet? The BAC spread guy?
Not yet. It's about $3 off for being worthless.
Dude, Tesla's
Yeah,
begging
so I
for me
wouldn't
to get
sell that, dude.
call.
I'd just hold it.
The put?
Yeah, might as well.
Might as
For
well.
$3,
Yeah, you're right.
You know what I mean? Like, who knows? Maybe Putin does something stupid, or maybe Biden takes the mic and the market won't support him.
It's got today's
For $3.
expiration. It'll expire worthless.
Hey, Mr. Connections, I got a hypothetical for you.
Okay, is this only hypothetical because we're talking in an open forum, or?
No, this is a hypothetical based on options without politics.
Oh, all right. Sorry. Okay, go ahead.
So I'm looking
My
at.
interest was peaked, and now it's just moderate, but I'll still answer the question.
We'll have to get a call another time. I'm looking at June 24th, and I'm looking at $700 strike call to sell, covered call for Tesla at $1,100 a contract to swing that over into Tuesday.
What do they move? I mean, I've only started looking and trading with Tesla maybe the last week or two, and I haven't done fantastic, so I'm maybe not the best person to ask. But I mean, if they move a fair amount, usually those other options, like, because 700 is pretty far out of the money. I can't imagine they're going to move a lot. Even if Tesla dumps, they're not going to move a lot. But you don't have a lot of upside risk either. If Tesla rallies, you're not going to get screwed.
Right. Well, the other one I was considering is the 725 strike for $500 to swing that over the weekend, just to wake up to $500.
I don't know, man. I can't give financial advice.
No, I know. I'm just curious about your thoughts, because I was talking about covered calls for today, and you were the first person to say that to hold on to them, and I'm not doing anything at the moment because it's the same day expiration.
Yeah, I'd wait until you see any weakness in the market. I mean, we printed all green candles but one so far on the 5 minutes, so I'd maybe hold off until because if it keeps climbing, you don't want to sell a call. So as soon as you start to see the momentum shift, that's maybe when I'd sell, regardless whether you do a short term or long term, in my opinion. I mean, it's not too different from your overall strategy, right? Where you would just, for day trading, you're waiting for high of day or whatever. That I would use that same strategy, and then sell the call. You might be wrong, but if we're continuing to go up, might as well wait and you'll get more premium. That's my thought at least.
I'm with it 100%. I'm with it. Now, the other thing that I could do, and this is going to be my, this might be a little degen of me, but I could sell same day expiration. Wait, hold on. I could sell same day expiration on Tesla. I could sell the 670 calls, and I could just wait for this thing to fall and then buy them back for $200 cheaper.
If it falls, I mean, we're curling right now on Tesla, it looks like, so might be a good time to do it if you're going to do it. Just put a tight stop. You know, if you're thinking you're going to buy them back, I'd maybe put a tight stop so it doesn't, you know, cream you if the stock jumps to 690 by the end of the day.
I'm with you 100%. What the hell? Oh, wrong account. Oh man, I just lost a bunch of premium because I screwed up 3 times. Damn. Oh my goodness, Tesla's dumping. Nice. All right, I got filled. So I just sold the 670 call. I'm just gonna watch it as it falls, and then I'll buy it back. I'm day trading covered calls. Shit, cray.
This just blows.
I sold that straddle right at the top.
Yeah, Corgo. Yeah, buddy. Oh,
imagine if I'd bought 10.
Ah, man, I wanted a put. I should have gone a put right there at the top. I felt it too, and I didn't go through.
Michael mentioned it was retesting, and I was like, oh, I do believe we're going to see some chop, but I think overall it'll be green.
I'm just gonna sit on this covered call here and just let it die. Hopefully it dies. I'm praying it dies.
I need to retract.
Well, Tesla would have to go up $15 for me to start sweating on this contract. So
I sniped
like
the
one
bottom
candle
of
sometimes,
MU
Clay.
at 5 cents a contract.
that could absolutely be one candle. Yes, that is slightly horrifying at the same time. So I sold the what did I sell? The 670. Yeah.
Birdie, shot puts. Is Birdie in here?
I do not know if Birdie is in here this morning. I haven't heard him speak.
It's Friday. He should be able.
Yeah, I was hoping
Unless
the
he's
market
still
would start moving up here soon because I'm actually eyeing out shop calls.
We'll got an Amazon call too.
Oh.
So because 316 was my breakout for the day on shop, we are over that. The targets they're pretty close, 322, 324, but I already came up to pretty much that first target.
Well, the 15-minute closed above it, so I know. What do you think you would do for calls?
If I have to go after one, I'm eyeing out like the 320s or around there. Maybe with one strike above that even. See, those are the ones. See the moment we'll go after that. Not just yet.
Really?
Those puts can definitely be valid right now in shop.
Yeah. Oh, it bounced off of upper. Oh, it just broke through.
That was a great put opportunity there. Right at the top.
Yeah.
You going to the floor?
It's a $6 move though. Sometimes yesterday when we traded at shop, it was it's definitely a little slow on that. Yeah, it's just I think it's gonna drop.
Yeah, shop, Tesla, SPX, they make those like $5 to $10 moves every.
without fail. You can't trade SPX on WEBULL desktop, but you can do it on the phone.
Makes no sense, but yeah, I think that's valid.
What?
No, you can. Well, you can do options for SPX on the desktop now, but like
Can you?
as of two.
No,
Yeah,
you can't. I'm on
I'll be
it
right
right now.
back, guys. Give me 1 second.
I'm looking at it right now.
Where? It just says charts, notes, and news.
You
Oh,
know,
you can't see. You won't be able to see the charts, but you can see the options.
It doesn't even give me the option. Weird.
Is your Webull updated?
It might not be actually. It's my fault.
Yeah, I think it was like last week or the week before. It came out of beta.
Okay. Drake's album yesterday was mid. Stayed up till 1:30 to listen to it. Mid. He really made a whole house album. It's just stupid.
who did?
Drake.
I saw a thing. I never looked at it yet, but it said it was something about most of the songs were based off of like GTA phone screen songs or something like that. I have no idea.
It's literally like the best way I could describe it is, you know what boots and cats are? Like,
Yeah, yep.
yeah, that's
Oh
literally
god.
the whole tempo. It's all house. And the worst part is it's just cringe in some parts. Some of it is poorly mixed. He wrote it all himself. That's why it's not great. Drake, I mean, if you don't know music, most of the time, if the artist writes all the stuff himself, it's just like it's usually not a good sign because it just means that the people who get paid the big bucks didn't write it. Oh, it's so bad, man. Shop puts would have been spicy right now.
Just got
But
done trading 367 puts on SPY, and the spread on them was just fucking massive, dude. It was so gross.
That's gross.
On
Tag the
fucking
resistance
SPY
zone.
contract, dude.
Posty pivots there too on SPY.
Apple's pushing back up, so SPY might start climbing here.
I think the spread just tightened up, but it was seriously like the spread was like almost $15 wide on a 0D at the money put, which I thought it was just wild.
If everything keeps dumping, it would make sense to get into Apple puts.
Yep, because they're probably the most up right now, I imagine. Well,
Yeah.
Tesla's up 10% too, but
Yeah, everything's bouncing off its bearish reversals.
I don't know. I get so hesitant in this market because it just literally, if you look at yesterday and you just look at Apple, it was just like a straight line. Every green candle eaten up by a red candle, and etc. So stupid.
That's what I was saying this morning. I'm tired of losing on good calls and other strategies. Especially with these overnight moves are killing us, man.
Yeah, like you just open up. Yeah, you just open up like so either deep in the red or I think it was like one day where it opened up green, but like you just all the big moves you would want to trade is just gone.
I think it was like Wednesday morning, maybe Tuesday morning, jumped $10.
Yeah, I was just like stupid. Bro, Amazon needs to come down. There's no way it just if everything else is gonna drop, it would make sense that Amazon should drop. Massive green candle and no retracement. But I don't like all of them right now.
You know what I hate the most right now? I just had a red day.
I literally woke up from having a dream that I was shorting Ethereum on Webull, and I don't even think you could do that. But
You technically can, but it's illegal in California or in the U.S. Not California.
I made like $10,000, and then I got souped, and I went in for 2 more trades with that $10,000, and it just decimated my account.
That sounds like a nice dream. I would be okay having that dream.
Yeah, I mean the first part is nice. The second part's not that nice. It was crazy how it was like a shout out from Logan. Logan just put out in a Ethereum put, and I'm like, huh? You know what? Can you even do that? I guess you can. Let's go for it.
Let's do it. Well, Nick, yes, you can day trade cover calls. Yes, it just depends on the expiration. Hold on 1 second. All right, guys, I'm
Bless
moving
you.
over to the pool for the rest of the call this morning. I'll be right back. I'll be right back, guys.
Birdie isn't here. Morning, Birdie.
Move over to the pool. Wow.
All right, we are now mobile.
So we're over to the side of the pool now. You drink poolside?
Yep.
That's hot.
You're hot.
Ooh, Spice dumping. If it closes below this,
Cross bearish too on SPY.
yeah. Oof. About to eat up that whole green candle.
So glad I sold them. I mean, I'd probably start making money off the puts now if I just held it.
You sold that put
I did.
for $3?
What?
For $3?
Yeah. It was, like I said, it was today's expiration, so I figured a lot of chop, and I figured the premium would just get eaten up by theta.
Oh my gosh! Look
Which
at
is all true, but
AMD.
it's only $3.
Yeah, I know. I didn't really think of it like that.
Why is
Like,
AMD?
all right, I've made $20 here after selling, or it was 21, but after selling it 20.
AMD is dumping so hard. Oh my gosh!
I'm looking at that too. Yeah.
I know
If it comes down to if it doesn't,
Guys, I will be right back. I got to handle something. I'm sorry. Give me 2 seconds. I apologize. Give me 2 seconds.
if it
Y'all
comes down,
continue.
if it doesn't break through this resistance point, I think it'd be good to get into some calls here. But let's see what this 15-minute does. Sheesh. It's a massive candle.
Hey, do you guys hear that chirping? Has somebody got an alarm going, or is that at my house? I can't tell.
Oh, that might be me. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. I just want to make sure it wasn't me. I'm walking around my house like, which smoke alarm is chirping in my house?
I changed the batteries. I don't even care at this point. I phased it out. Yeah, AMD's gonna bounce off of this, I feel.
Yeah, it's a smoke detector that's on low battery.
Yeah, I changed all the batteries though, honestly. Either way, my landlord has to have come the fire marshal check, and so at that point I'll just let him handle it. There's like 4 like right next to each other, so it doesn't even matter.
That's so annoying.
When I grew up, my dad rarely changed the batteries. Whether you call it safe or not, just learn to phase it out. I don't even think twice about it. I kind of like it.
Do you have the tamper-proof ones?
I don't know. I have no idea. This
Most ones now actually you don't have to replace the battery. They've just got a rechargeable cell in them.
Oh yeah, these have batteries. They were annoying as heck to switch out.
I had one that was going off like every 2 minutes or so, and maintenance guy happened to just be coming to my apartment. So when he took it off the wall, he couldn't turn it off. He didn't find the button. It's one of the tamper-proof ones. So he just smashed it. And the button was literally like under his thumb. But he smashed it with a hammer in my apartment. I don't know how to turn it off. Yeah.
Why is the bid higher? Wait, hold on. Am I just fried? But like the bid is higher than the ask. Isn't it supposed to be the other way around?
I have a
Yeah.
few.
No.
Usually institutions will find that and they'll just fill those. Like they'll just buy and sell them.
Well, when the bid is higher than the ask.
Yeah.
Dude, the 370 call on SPY right now. The bid's 112. The ask is 105.
I feel like right now would be a good time to get into some AMD calls. I don't know. What do you think, Montana?
I swear, I hate Robinhood so much right now.
I hated it since its birth.
Yeah, I switched over to Thinkorswim.
Birdie, your mic's all crackly.
What? Dude, this
Yeah.
makes those. This is so wild.
I had some
You just sound like
MU
shit, Birdie. Are you
calls,
alright?
and I'm trying to sell. None of them wanted to get filled, even at their ask, which was at 5 cents, which was my break even. No,
Chicken? I'm afraid.
I had to sell my 20 contracts at 2 cents a contract.
I don't know whether to do AMD calls or not. I really want to though.
That's just BS.
That's good news. Oil selling off big.
Oh yeah.
Our gas prices will still
Maybe,
go.
yeah, be
Is
good.
that
Maybe
Yuko?
we could go down 2 cents in gas now.
Maybe we
Well,
went up.
I hope you guys have a
$3.
great day.
All right, Brave. See you, man.
Bye.
I'll see you in like 10 minutes.
Oh, bro, AMD's just screaming. It's just screaming to.
Yuko is down to what we started trading yesterday. Down to 47. Yeah.
If it goes under that low yesterday, yeah, it might get some momentum then on the downside.
Apple's
Imagine if we would have held that little like throughout the day. It moves so much.
This looks to be like a bull flag forming on Apple and Tesla. I don't know. I'm on the 15-minute, but
No, I see it too, even on 5 minute.
It is hot out here.
yeah, I might.
I really don't want to hear anything about it being hot.
Bubs, I'm in CSTP right now, brother. I mean, I know. Wait, what? You're in Columbia, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, Columbia, South Carolina is going to be hot as hell. I was in Hilton Head with my buddy that's sitting next to me, who does a lot for me.
I'm gonna get into.
He and I went to Hilton Head, dude, and it was crispy in Hilton Head.
Crispy. Did
I fix it or no? Does it
Say
sound
again?
better?
Birdie, you do sound better. You were breaking up earlier.
I don't understand why. Whatever. Fucking
Montana.
garlic bread.
Birdie, what's the magical play for today?
What's my magical play? I just took these Tesla calls right now through the CMA cloud. We'll see how they play out.
Oh, Birdie, you're in
Nice
Tesla
bull
call.
flag there,
Yeah.
I'm in a Tesla covered call.
Montana.
Yeah.
Look at that.
We're not the same.
Look at the chart or the chat. That's the 367 SPY put.
Don't let them
And
pop
that's
that.
the 1 minute. And look at it, just like the chart. It's so gross. Even though SPY is moving down,
Oh man,
it's just moving sideways, dude.
Oh man, AMD's dropping.
That's the options price on the 1 minute.
No way.
That's
Oh,
gross.
Tesla's
Doing
dumping
right now? It's
What?
a 367. You said put.
Yeah,
Yeah,
got fucking
367
stopped out.
put.
That's
It's SPY
disgusting.
is dropping right now. Like it's making low of days. And wait, is it making low of days?
Hey,
No, it's not.
that Tesla covered call's up 20% already.
Where'd we open up today at?
Die, Tesla, die.
Dude, the puts are going down right now. Dude, look, the SPY's going down. I'm watching the things go
No,
down.
no, look at this. Look at this. This is even worse, bro. This is the new one.
Nope.
Look at this. This is
drop.
actually just gross.
Are you guys hearing any background noise at all? I want to make sure there's no interference.
A little, but it's not that
Something's
crazy.
broken. Something's seriously broken in the market today.
What
Yeah.
are you talking about, Montana? Are you talking about the premium?
Look in the premium chat
dude.
at
The
Look at
bid is
these.
way over the ask on the calls, and the puts on this huge drop on SPY aren't even moving, and I'm actually seeing them go down, kind of, actually, as SPY comes down.
Oh, that's good for the
Yeah,
covered
There's
call
something
then.
broken right now.
I hopped in a put on
Oh, here we
Yuko.
go. No, literally, it just jumped from $2.09 to $5
Bid
a
in the ask.
contract.
It's a 207, 158 bid and ask on a SPY put. That is not a. What the?
Can you get is there like a facial rag in the bathroom I can wrap my phone on and put it at the end of the. Actually, here, I'll walk in. I just need a rag to
I'm
cover
gonna keep sending these. Look at this. This is the active trader on Thinker's Film. This is actually gross. I'm not gonna be trading the rest of the day.
Here, I got it. I got one. I'm here. I'm going out.
SPY is now back to like pretty much open, and these
Wait,
contracts
SPY
have
dropped
not
open already?
moved. It's at
Holy,
365.
holy cow.
Dude.
Clayton, look at the chat.
Come on,
Look at the chat.
guys, I need you to think really hard because when things are broken like this, there's got to be an insane opportunity.
The insane opportunity is covered
Yeah,
calls, bro.
you
Covered
buy a
calls.
contract right now and instead of limit sell for fucking
Oh my
5 and see if you
god,
get filled.
dude!
Look
So
at
I got in a put for Yuko, right? And that
hell?
massive candle, and then I was negative $15. Now I'm positive 25 in one move.
Dude, what the hell is going
What are
on?
yeah?
Do
What
you
are
see
these
these
premiums?
premiums?
I'm
They're
looking
actually
at
broken, bro.
my Tesla covered call is just getting destroyed right now, which is great. But I saw the wicks. Are we just
Do you
wicking
see
all
that?
over the place, right? Yeah, I do
Those
see
are
that.
100% wicks. Like 100% profit wicks right there. Like look at the prices of those.
You mean options wise?
Yes, because those like where those candle heads are 2.4 and the wicks go up to $5 a contract.
We live
And
in
this is the 1 minute chart, Clayton.
we live in a simulation.
Confirmed.
It is
Confirmed.
breaking, bro.
Don't go tell
Oh
fucking
my
don't tell
God.
fucking Logan that.
Go tell Logan
Premium
that.
on that Yuko
Yeah.
was 98. The bid ask, the ask was 98 cents to 75 cents. The ask is now $1.65 to the bid 60 cents.
Birdie, Austin was saying that the stock market's more manipulated than the cryptocurrency market yesterday. What do you think about that?
He said it's more manipulated than the cryptocurrency market.
He said the stock market is way more manipulated than the cryptocurrency market.
I guess there is more money. in the
You'd
stock
have to show
market,
me
so.
some like hard evidence through like Area 51 type shit for that because I highly doubt that.
Yeah, I'm curious. I'm gonna ask him about it because I mean I trust what he says. I'm you know I got a lot of respect for him, but I don't know about that one, Chief.
That one doesn't sound right. I mean, Area 51 type shit. I need
100p, bro. 100p.
Oh, frick.
Like, I know the market's fucking rigged. I know that, but
Yeah.
more
Well,
than
I mean,
the
all the
crypto
markets are-
market.
all
Get
the
the fuck
markets
out
are
of here.
rigged.
Oh
Yeah.
my god, that's oh my god. I can't even trade the puts today.
That's what I'm saying.
This
Call
is like
man. It's
this is
screaming.
fucking gross, bro. Is everything else like this?
I'm up.
Yeah, Tesla's
know
fucked up. It's
how.
got the bids are
If
higher
on
than
the
the ask.
bottom, you're up on the or I mean the top. If you got puts on the top, you're still up. But other than that,
If I had held my puts, I'd be up a fucking bag today. But I'm not gonna even try and bother trading in this.
That dude who sold the $3 put might really regret that.
Oh, I for sure do. Again, lessons have been learned.
Oh my
I've been
god.
staring at this worthless
And he's
Oracle
still going down, bro.
4 days
Jeez.
now.
Okay, hold up. I can't even see what these contracts are worth anymore. They're not moving on the
Boy,
active trader.
You
They're
guys
no
hear me?
longer moving.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay.
How
Yeah,
are
they're
next week
moving.
puts looking? Are those fine? Longer dated stuff is fine.
Longer dated stuff.
What's SPY come down to, and what did it peak at? Do we have
interactive? So I'm posted that interactive brokerage is trying to look at the issues also.
Sawyer? What's high?
SPY peaked at just under 370, and right now it's trading at 365.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh my god! Oh my god!
369.38.
We dropped $5 a share.
Yeah.
Aren't even moving. Yeah, and the puts aren't even moving
In
off.
half
Yes.
hour.
Dude.
No, actually,
Call
here,
them.
let me just send this. They might have done like paused it or something. Because my options are no longer moving.
Yeah.
Maybe the whole option market's like something happened.
It's moving again now. On Tasty Trade, I got movement.
Oh my god, no, my option contracts are just dropped. The fuck? Went from 2.87 a contract and
Maybe
it's down to 2.6, and it's just dropping. What the fuck?
What if the puts are so messed up and it's just like infinitely printing puts and just dropping each stock?
All right, I'm fucking. I know Weeble's having the
This
same issue right
is.
now. What the
Look at
fuck?
Oh my god, now it's wicking in
It's
both
clearing
directions.
houses.
We
It's an
probably
exchange
should have
issue.
loaded puts there, and I bet you if like it fixes itself at one moment, it might just magically be up 100% out of nowhere. Then.
Bruh, I
Oh,
bought
just
the
got
now
Yuko
they're
for
going.
7.
Yep. Damn.
Yeah, I'm
I
in a
just got
Yuko,
robbed
bro.
$700.
No.
What the fuck is going on?
We should have loaded there. Dang.
I mean, I don't see the Yuko, see the premium moving, but a good candle.
That was a little
Yuko.
weird.
What's Corgo? What's Yuko at?
47.5.
47.5. Yeah, I mean, if Yuko.
Hey guys, you know what's working well?
Covered call.
SPXs.
I bet.
Covered calls are printing a bag right now.
I'm gonna have to play SPX. That's literally the only that's moving fine.
Are the
Not
are the
gonna
premium?
even bother
Are the,
to try and play anything.
are the premiums not being affected on SPX?
Not really. They're moving normal like usual from what I see.
That's interesting.
Yeah, because those are up $400 or $500 since the top there, almost 600.
Okay, because the delta on these puts are 0.7. So like, if I drop $5, bro, from where we were at just highs, these should be up relatively a lot more than where they're at.
Yeah.
They should not only be up $1.50 a contract.
AMD's having a tough time breaking that 80 line, and then Apple.
I was down 300, folks.
I'm gonna send one more picture of this active trader chart of this put. It is just fucking disgusting, dude.
I wonder what's happening to the premiums. There must be. I mean, I wonder if we can compare. And I've never really done this, but I wonder if we can compare today's volume, options wise, to yesterday's volume. Anybody know how to do that? I don't ever really look at volume, so this is not my area of expertise. But can we compare the options volume in the S&P SPY specifically to yesterday's?
I have no clue how to do that.
Anyone else in here having technical difficulties with their brokerage right now?
Look in the chart or in the chat, Mr.
A bunch of
Zink.
people are.
I tried alerting snow puts and mRNA puts. No puts on the.
Did you get filled for them, Zink?
No, I went in to buy them and there was no. The bid ask was like 1.0 to 1.0 bid to like a 3.0 ask.
Yeah, the spreads. That's what we've been talking about for the past 20 or 15 minutes. The spreads are disgusting. They're all screwed up.
But I haven't, even though I went in and tried buying the mRNA put I tried buying was at ask and it didn't fill. And then when I updated it, it said the bid was 1.25, the ask was 2.8.
Bro, SPX is so expensive right now. Is there 0 days?
Well, I was the 3620s. I mean, they were $1 something at the low, and now they're $7. So it just
Mr. Zink, look at the chat.
I'm looking at calls, and they're like still in the.
I don't know how to get to the investors lounge
Oh,
chat
pretty
now.
cheap.
You
Fuck
look
you,
at
Pat.
go to
Targeted
where
like,
the investors lounge is, and then there's a little open chat thing right above like A-Leaf's name.
I'm looking right now for the 0 day, and it says for the 3670s, it's $22.70.
Well, yeah, that's pretty much in the money. That's
Yeah, yeah.
Right, so no one can get filled on shit right now.
Nope. I tried selling my call option while that massive dump happened, and I was unable to sell.
Holy shit!
So,
I am
Yeah,
so
mine-
fucking confused right now.
Hey,
Is
mine-
everybody still having
mine-
issues?
mine
Rob,
fucking
okay,
froze.
hold on, stop,
Yeah,
stop, stop,
Birdie,
stop,
you're
stop,
having
stop,
them as
stop,
well.
stop. There's like 6 people talking at once, one at a time. Please.
Birdie's having issues with his fancy Weeble.
Fucking TD's having a goddamn issue.
it's everyone. The whole
Alright.
It just cost me $700 fucking dollars. It wouldn't sell my fucking contract.
Yeah, it's the exchange. It's got to be an exchange issue
Yeah.
because all the brokers are being affected. So it's got to be an exchange issue, and that's not good for any of the stock prices. The market will dump when you have
I'm
issues like
buying
this.
long dated puts.
I'm gonna have to go with SPX and fucking A.
Mr. Connections, the that Tesla cover calls up 85%.
I don't know if you can trust that. I sold my.
No, I think you can. I think you can trust it. Yeah, I don't know.
I just
My
sold my.
gosh.
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try and sell it.
Yeah, I would cover it.
I'm gonna try and sell it and see what happens here.
Okay, these
up $30, and then I looked at my account and I have a loss for the of $8. I was already up like 20.
these contracts are wicking like from $3.5 a contract down to $0.04 a contract.
Mr. Connections, I'm out for 88%. Done.
Nice.
It closed immediately but the spread on that contract was disgustingly wide, and it was all screwed up. So I get what you're saying, but I got filled. Actually, I don't know if it was 88%, but I got filled for a little bit below. I think it was 88 something. And the original contract that I sold it for was 435, 440. Not bad. That'll be my day trade for the day. Damn, I should have done it with all my TQQ. That would have been shit. Whatever.
Look at these spreads.
Give me fucking.
Or not the spreads, but look at like where it's at on the active trader. It's so
I
gross.
was down $9,000 within 10 seconds.
Yeah.
That was immense.
These contracts are at 3.8 and they like have wicked down to almost worthless.
I seriously don't even know what to trade because like, what if this glitch fixes and we just get some magic fucking bounce? I don't even know what to go after.
I imagine all this red is because of that glitch. Now, like, it's not just
Yeah.
OBR having issues, you know?
No, the whole market's probably down because of it. Everyone's selling their shares because of the technical issue.
You know what it is? It's all Russian. That's what we're gonna assume. Blame it on Russia and China.
There you go.
I agree.
Hey, on the plus side, TQQ is still up from when I bought it today.
AMD calls or Tesla calls.
I'm not on Tesla puts, and my put went from like 75 cents to up to $11. Like,
I wouldn't. Well, are you thinking about picking up a new naked position right now, Birdie?
oh no, I'm in it. I switched. I took a
well-
fucking. I went break even basically on my Tesla call, and then I fucking bought puts for this fucking shit that was going on, thinking that it was just a small 10-second issue. Nope.
Okay.
Your boy was wrong.
So you switched over. Did you have any problem with the put fill?
Hell yeah, I did. Even with beta. My fill wasn't that bad, but like I went all the way down. Like I said, within like 5 seconds of me getting in, it went down to 75 cents from $1,100 per.
Call Webull.
Bro.
And tell them that you're going to take your $1 billion account away from them if they don't refund you 10% of the account.
He won't even answer my fucking message.
Yeah, you know how many messages are getting spammed with right now?
Yeah, I'm sure they're getting their I'm sure they're getting their shit chewed up right now.
The fact that all these people are probably messaging them. Montana is making it even worse.
Right.
Probably.
Their servers are just flooded right now.
Now Montana was like, "Fuck the messages. I'm going SPX."
I don't even want to go
Hey,
anything
it's
else.
working just fine. I'm telling you.
I'm still
Hey, I
not able to buy anything right now.
Find the diamond in the rough. I mean, what are the spreads any different right now on SPX Montana? Or are they?
No, they're
is that what-
normal. The normal little spread.
Okay. Well,
I
then
was
fuck it.
just up $70 per contract. They're moving
SPX
fine.
puts, dog. SPX puts, dog.
Someone just sent me a picture that they're up 1,800% on something. Another person was up like 500, but it's not accurate. The ask is like in the threes, and the option's only $30 or some shit like that.
I had a bit of a spread. I bought a 20 and sold a 26, and the 20 was worth 26 cents a contract, and the 26 was flagging at 225. That showed me like a really negative spread.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Birdie, what time frame is that option contract?
That's on a 5-minute.
Dude, that is gross.
Yeah, so when you fucking take a second to like realize that how many contracts I buy in for,
right?
That's a lot of
seeing
money.
that just flip to almost 100% loss, I was like, what the fuck?
Hey, what was yesterday's low?
360 something, I thought. 364.
363 or something. I
We're
think it was
like
It was
I got
364.
364. Yeah.
we're about to make a new low. We just
Clayton.
made a new low.
I got 363.9, so yeah, 364.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Mr. Clayton.
Sort of. If it does this again, I'm getting the fuck out of these contracts.
I feel like
I'm taking the gain on this SPX put, man. I don't trust things.
I have a limit order set in for like nothing. See if I can't get filled. I doubt it. I'll get filled.
Oh shit! And
What
these
are you
things
trying to get
actually
filled
kinda
for, Sawyer?
green right now.
Just a put, but I would like see if I can't catch one of these wicks.
About to be 200 a contract here.
I think they fixed it, but it looks a lot better now than what it did a few seconds ago.
Is someone's fire alarm going off?
Probably the smoke detector.
It's my smoke detector. Sorry, Clayton.
I'm so mad right now. I'm just kidding.
Bro, fucking fill me.
Oh
Bull,
man, this thing's dropping like a rock.
Bull's morning SPX. That paid off.
Yeah, that's a major boom shakalaka.
Bing bong.
Bing bong.
Bing bong.
Oh, I feel like I want to get in calls here.
These things busting right now. Come on.
I think I'm fucking good for the day.
I think
Fuck
these
that.
is gonna be a boomer. Going down to 360.
Did somebody say
think
my
so?
name? Somebody say Boomer? What can I do for you?
Oh, I have a report.
You have a report from WEBULL?
Yeah.
What are the Chinese telling you, Birdie? Tell us.
The Chinese said, all right, and this is exactly what they said. Hold on, let me go back to it. I need to double check this position. Give me a second here.
Bull just hopped out.
All right, here it is. It says, we're sorry to inform you that we're having connection issues with the New York Stock Exchange. Please be advised that a lot of asks and bid spreads and also fill orders are being neglected as nulled in this process. So as if you were playing this right now, be advised that this is at your own risk. And that's it.
Oh my gosh. 300.
All right, looks like Birdie's not getting a refund.
Well, I'm up right now, so I don't give a fuck.
No, I was talking about that.
400 here.
That almost break-even call trade.
Oh, I know, dude. I was so fucking.
Dude, I love how a break-even trade for you, or an almost break-even trade for you, could be like a 10K loss.
It can be.
That's crazy.
Literally, that was like just a 30-cent fucking move on fucking my Tesla call. I got out.
Birdie, all I wanted to do was get a mullet, bro.
Oh my god, we're on that topic again.
No, I'm just giving you shit.
Oh man, these Tesla fucking puts are paying. Oh boy.
I can't get a mullet anymore because I cut that gross ass hair off. But
I'm about to be $20 in the money, and these things are basically worthless. What the fuck?
Sheesh, the market's dumping right now.
Yeah, I was thinking about buying a put, but
I don't want to chase the move. I want to get in on the reversal, though. That's what I really want.
yeah, but if I don't know, we could just have little pops throughout the day and then
Not
keep
reverse.
going up.
Yeah.
It might just be a no play day.
I mean, SPY's reversing now, but from what? Apple. Apple's reversing a little. Tesla's reversing a little.
ant on my phone. Get off.
Oh,
Wait,
yes.
Are you by the beach or a pool?
Pool.
Cool.
Pool.
Hope you're hope you're relaxing.
I am, dude. It's been this has been very healthy. I've needed a break, but I've been working more this past week than I think I have in the past month.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, there's a lot of it's mostly business work regarding travel, and that always takes a lot of time to get set up.
Oh, AMD's bouncing so hard.
Calls? Question mark.
I know.
Oh, I didn't close my SPX covered calls from yesterday. Oh shit!
We might be chasing a move, though. Again.
Yeah.
I did not. Oh my goodness! I didn't close my SPXL covered calls yesterday and they're up 98%. Oh my god! Goodbye.
That's why I like Bull's play sometimes, because it's like he goes in a little early, and it's like you go into the red a little, but you catch that big move usually. Not
Did he
always.
alert something? Oh, those puts.
Say it again.
No, he
Oh,
didn't
I
know.
was just asking about Bull's alert.
Do you take some SPX puts?
Bull doing the right now?
No, he got out. He did it this morning, but he got out at 13, I think. Yeah, 13.50. He bought it at 4.60.
Okay. I gotcha.
This could go anywhere, really. It could go back up, or it could just drop down to the ground.
There's a lot of buying volume, though. I'll send a screenshot. Yeah, it's the same.
I'll get in one with you if you go.
Let me. I don't know. It just keeps pushing lower on the 5 minutes, so I'm gonna be patient. 2 minute looks good, so if that holds, then I'll.
Yeah, on the 15-minute, half of it's been retraced already, but
It might just curl here and do the dumpy dump.
Little dumpy dump.
Yup.
Yup. Little dumpy dump.
Sure, how little.
Little
dump again.
That's a little dumpy dump. A little dumpy dump. All right, I want.
All right, I'm entering a call.
I'm picking up.
Oh, what, on SPX or SPY?
Bye. 366 call.
Guys, I am
well.
reallocating some AMD shares. I just sold 100 for 8 Gs. I just bought 200 shares of TQQ with it, and now I'm going to buy a bunch of long calls with the other remaining $4,000. And the long calls that I'm getting into are they're going to be the January 19th, 2024 $15 calls for cash flow.
Yeah, good thing I waited for the call.
Wait, who did I get in with? I'm sorry. I just want to learn the names.
My name's Mike.
Is
Oh,
that
Mike.
Is that Bonchus?
Of course, man.
It's Bonchus. Dude, how am I? Okay, how do you say your Discord name?
Bonchus.
Dude, I fucking love. Dude, bro, every morning I'm just gonna be like, "Yo, is Bonchus here?" I love that, dude. It's like a New York, Boston, Italian, like everything. It's like, maybe not Italian, but Bonchus.
Bonchus.
I love it. I'm glad you're talking now, dude. I love this.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not working. I took yesterday and today off.
All right, SPY is fixed. Contracts are fixed.
Ooh, good news. Good news.
Oh,
guys, I am picking up, right now, I am picking up the $15 strike for January 19, 2024. I am using this with cash that I had in AMD. By the way, I bought 200 shares out of the cash I pull out of AMD, so these shares will cover these longs quite a bit. I'm also going to be selling short-term cover calls against everything, so that's going to be that. And I'm going to try and get, okay, so about $11.70 is what this contract's going for. I'm going to buy 2 of them with the cash. Go for limit. Dude, I haven't taken a trade on my phone in so long. This is kind of cool.
Mike, I'm in for three spot 366 calls at an average price of 123. Let's see how this goes. It's already up a little. It's up 3%. Oh, 6%. There we go.
Yep.
I do like this area for could be a nice little call for support spot. 363 is my breakdown for the day, and that's why I have. That would send us to 360s if we lose that, but pretty much tagged right below that. Candle then closed above. So looking good for low reverse.
All right, we're up
add
3.
into that.
We're up 3 Chipotle burritos right now.
Hey guys, just for a reference, those 2 long calls that I got for January 19th, 2024, they act as or equal to 200 shares. So for the price of 200 shares, I purchased 2 of these contracts. So now I can run double the amount of covered calls. And I've got 19 months till expiration on these. So plenty of time. That's why I'm doing it. More for less. And the cover call premium will cover any losses I sustain from the long call if they were to get hit harder or if we were to go into a crash. So they still cash flow.
Bonchus, you in this still?
Oh yeah, I'm in here, bro.
Yep.
What you in, Bonchus?
We're in
Go for it.
We're in 366 spy calls.
Yeah, buddy.
These might go in the money if it wants to go back to this.
That's what I'm saying.
Aftermarket.
Y'all pumping right now?
A little bit.
Dude, lots of people were bullish this morning too. That's the thing. Like,
oh, why?
I think that whole glitch, or I don't know what caused very much of this.
Austin's in the same mindset as us. He got a 364 call, but
he went a little bit more
in the money. Yeah.
So it's still, we still looking at some shit fills.
Nah,
it's fixed. I think it's fixed now.
Fixed, gotcha.
Yeah, there's a pretty small spread on these.
Yeah.
And the bid is lower than the ask, so.
Yeah, I'm about to get rid of. I got another 100 shares left at AMD, and I'm thinking about getting rid of it right now. Shit.
I'll give SPY a couple more seconds here, but if it wants to retrace that green candle and just go downwards,
Might get a bear flag forming here. That's the next question now.
Looking on the 5-minute, that looks bearish, so that's not fun.
Yeah. Oh. All right.
The 2-minute doesn't look terrible though, so.
I only look at the 5 and the 15 and just let me see how it looks on the 5. Oh.
How's the 15?
Oh yeah, the 15 looks pretty good. It could be forming a smaller channel, unless it sells lower.
All right, we're basically sitting around near break even, so hopefully this. Oh. Let's see what it does when it gets to that 363. Because you said that's your breakdown point, right, Montana?
Yep, yep.
You guys
And
still
we
having
wicked all
issues
the
or
way
no?
down.
I get
No. We wicked down to
pivot
362.65. Yeah. 362 and some change.
Yeah, it didn't close on the 15-minute though. It didn't. I mean, that's the 15-minute. It didn't close in it, but you're completely
Yeah,
tricked.
15 minutes still got some time.
What's dumping right now? I'm assuming there's something's dumping here. Oh, I might break it. Yeah, is Apple dumping? Yeah, it's Apple.
A lot of shares going through on the tape, so that is something to keep in mind.
Some of these Google puts too.
All right, I am selling my AMD and my Nvidia, and I'm moving those positions into 100 shares of SPY for cash flow.
Nice.
My calls
Really?
are pumping right now.
Yep. I am okay. I am now out of AMD, and I have no more Nvidia nor AMD. I am all out. The only individual securities I have left are Apple and Tesla.
You bastard.
Yep. Suck it, Birdie.
Ah, and there just SPY goes.
Now, Birdie, think about it this way. I have no issue with them whatsoever. And if I was a stock picker, then they'd be some of my largest positions. But
If it breaks this low of day, then I'll stick out. I mean, if it doesn't.
Birdie, my partners need cash flow, bro.
I know.
50,000 shares just got bought on the tape.
That was me.
50,000.
That was me. I'm just
I
kidding.
want to know if I place an order in, you'll be able to see it.
Honestly, that's what I'm wondering too.
Yeah.
Hey,
On
wait.
SPY?
What tape are you looking at? SPY?
I got the time and sales up, and then I got anything over 500. So
anything over
I don't
500?
know. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Anything over 500.
500.
You can fix that? Whoa. That's lit. I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah, you just click on the time and sales, and then it just like show greater than or equal to 200, 500. You can go all the way up to 1,000.
Yeah, I'm getting
Get out of these calls.
Yes. Oh.
Right.
Well, the premiums aren't kicking me out, but
I got
drop below.
Yeah, that's I mean.
All right, I'm buying my 100 shares of SPY right now. Done skis.
It's the only equity I don't have.
Yeah, well, so I mean, I need stability for cash flow because the majority of the account needs to not move, and then the rest of it I can do speculation because that means quarterly the cash flow would be super high, but the equity doesn't the equity value of it doesn't matter, even though the equity.
Keep dropping.
What's
TQQ is gonna have a sell. If we keep dropping right now, TQQ is gonna have a massive buy for me again.
Well, I mean, it's gonna cost you a lot less this time around, dude.
Well, there's a fill order for quite a shit ton of shares.
Yeah, Montana, I think you're right. It does look like it's pair flagging. It might be.
QQ to 10, I think.
Dude, EQQ hit 10, bro. Oh my god, I'm selling Tesla.
Oil broke 110. That's crazy. Just at 120 other than.
I might get some 360 puts at this point. I think it's.
You just call it.
So I have my candle
Sell off
below
the day.
363. Now this
Birdie.
next one will confirm.
Yeah.
If it goes back above 363, then it's going to be a fake out.
Birdie, the covered calls that we did for Apple, the hypothetical covered calls that we get filled at, those covered calls are at 28 cents, bro. I'm looking at the sell orders for them. We initially wanted to get them for $12.80 a contract, $1,280 a contract. They're at 20 cents, bro.
Jesus
20
Christ.
cents. 20 freaking cents. That is unreal.
Hey, Montana.
Yeah.
I'm sitting in a UCO put that's up
Are
40%.
you? Nice.
Go, Corgo. Good shit, bro.
Good old UCO, man. I might make that a daily watch now.
All right, my cost of my
It
SPY
looks like
shares
it rarely trades sideways.
that are now reallocated is $370 a share. I will take that.
Shot puts?
Shot puts all day, every day.
You fucking know it.
Posty, it's not even close to touching. Or on trading.
All right, guys, I'm done for today. I'm heading off to work. I'll see you guys later.
There we go, you go.
Yeah.
Peace, man.
See ya.
Massive red candle up 50%. 53.
Oh man, Tesla's just begging for puts, bro.
I'm still in its splits right now.
Damn. Big balls.
Big balls? Nah, bro. It still hasn't, hasn't been bad.
I haven't looked at Tesla charts.
Yeah.
So who's talking about Shopify?
Me.
Because Posty's working perfectly for me. Let me
Yep.
show you what I'm looking at. You probably only have the default stuff on, don't you?
Yeah, WEBULL. Yeah.
On Weibo, or do you mean Thinkorswim? Not Thinkorswim or TradingView.
I'm on the WEBULL desktop thing.
And you have Posty on Webull?
No. I'm just saying I have the basic generic chart.
I got you. I was about to be like, how the fuck did you get that script over?
I
See, you can actually.
I got 200 on SPY.
If you go online, you can add it to your account.
So, SPY makes
30.
I've been trying to get fucking indicators thrown on there, but I'm not allowed yet.
Huh.
Yeah, trying to work that out. Harris still an investor challenge.
This
There you go.
position costs as much as 100 shares of Tesla right now.
I like how he's whispering like I can't hear him.
What?
He's talking.
You're a terrible trader. What?
Dude, you're a terrible trader, Birdie.
I know I'm god awful. I might be fucking Helen Keller of the market.
Great. Okay, what I was saying to my buddy is 100 shares of Tesla right now costs about what, 63, 64 grand or 65 grand. And I just
You want to find out?
What's up?
What do you mean to find out for you?
Well, I mean, no. You start with the share price.
Here, I'll do it. Here we go. I'll buy 100 right now.
No, God damn it, Birdie.
60. Sorry, at the price it's at
sucked into the long term,
64,331.
Birdie, it costs 64.3K to buy 100 shares right now.
Yeah, I know. I just bought 100.
What I was saying. Oh my God.
That's my year salary, bro. This kid's just throwing it around like it's nothing.
Dude, well, I mean, I just completed 200 shares of SPY, and the total of that was 76. But that SPY and short-term covered calls cash flows about $1,000 a week. So now, since I've got 76 down, it's about $2,000 of cash flow per week with no mortgage and no expenses. You know what I mean? So, I can put $70,000 down at these prices to get 200 shares of SPY. And then 64,000 to get 100 shares of Tesla. And Tesla for me almost did 2K this week by itself, and then SPY is going to be doing about an average of 1.5K to 2K per week. So just running short-term cover calls on these things, just putting that money down, and also, by the way, the appreciation of SPY and Tesla, is going to be insane over the long term, but the cash flow. That's what I really, really want. I know Tesla and SPY are going to appreciate in value. I know that. But the cash flow, if between Tesla and SPY, I should be looking at between $2,500 to $4,500 a week in cash flow. Now, I know. I just heard that's my annual salary comment. But the reason why I'm bringing this stuff up is because you guys could do the same thing with TQQ or anything that's cheaper that you think's going to do well over the long term. Right? So these are strategies that I want you guys to employ. I know every single person in this Discord has the idea of financial freedom in their heads, or they've either achieved it and they're trying to amplify it. So this is one of those strategies that allows you to do that by just, save your money, compound capital. And I don't have to add any money to my accounts anymore because of the compounding interest of what it is that I'm doing. All the money that I make outside of my accounts for my other stuff, I can go put into other investments.
Yeah.
So same with Birdie. I mean, Birdie's
I'm
got.
just stupid.
Birdie, is your military pay gonna buy you a yacht yet, or what, bro?
Why am I buying a yacht for it? That's a depreciating asset.
Oh my god, that was so hot. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Oh man, Spies
What I
reverse.
do want to buy is
Oh
fucking Logan talked
Yeah.
about a fucking fighter aircraft.
I'm still on those calls too.
I just
You
took one
are?
there because, guys,
Yep.
guess what? We got my
Oh.
fake out pattern there. 1 Earth's 363, next candle above. So I jumped in calls. Sure enough.
What
you get the
hasn't
fake out.
pumped yet? Let's look at this. Apple, nope. AMD,
Hey,
nope.
Clayton.
Hey, Bonchus, was that you who made the salary comment, homie?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so here's something fun for you, bro. TQQ, you know those long calls that I just got?
Yeah.
Those are $1,250 a long call, and they make $100 a week.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm literally trying right now. I'm at let's see how many TQQ I have so far. I'm almost there. I'm at 35.
Well, I'm talking about a long call, bro, which is less than half the price of the shares right now.
Oh, I get what you're saying.
So I'm okay. So let me explain. So once I get to a point where my cash starts to dwindle down into smaller percentage numbers, I start picking up extremely long-term leaps so that I don't have to pay near as much for the 100 share increments that I want.
Makes sense. Yep.
Right? And that means I also get more increments of 100 shares, and the short-term cash flow is 2 to 3x. Make sense?
Yep.
For less the money. And the reason why I'll take on that risk is because A, the market's in the dog shitter. B, we have seen a 20% correction all of about 5 or so times in the last 25 years.
Yep.
Right? And that was the dot-com bubble, the 08, COVID, and then 2018, and then like a 23% correction like 2015. Right?
Yep.
So this is very high probability that in the next 2 years I'm going to do really well. And if we crash, I'll cash flow so much that I don't care if the options go to zero.
Yep. And I think that's what I want to secure first, that cash flow. And so
Beautiful.
I'll get 100 TQQ soon enough.
Beautiful.
And then you gotta teach me that covered call strategy like more in depth, because I'm still like fairly new. I'm still paying my market tuition.
You give me a call, bro. We'll set it up.
All right, sounds
Talk
good.
about with all the fucking videos of Clayton.
I have multiple clients in the live call right now. And I talk about this in the live call. Like this is the only thing that the main difference that the clients get in comparison to the live call is the clients get all the models that I use to do all this for me.
Okay.
So, and they also get a live demonstration of all the strategies and the numbers and everything that I pick. But in the live call, I try to go over the strategies as much as I can so that people can get a very thorough understanding of what I'm doing. I'm not trying to hide anything, but the calculations and the models, those are all proprietary. I own a fund, so I can't be going over that stuff.
Yep.
Montana has a model for just $10 a month. I'll tell you
Hey.
good spots to start adding shares.
Jesus Christ. Better simmer Montana. Better simmer Montana. Also, Cam, that video is old as fuck.
Montana, do you think calls are still viable here?
Yeah. Well, let's see, and then we get over. We need to clear this EMA here. Is 360. We get over 363.87 is what we need to get over on spine, and then it'll be looking decent. But
I might get in now to get in my original entry and then just put a stop limit that way. And actually, we'll see. It really looks on the 15-minute like a bear flag.
yeah, let's be
Lotto
clear.
Friday
I'm gonna be
sucks.
patient. I'm just doing quick scalps and stuff.
Yeah, I should have scalped on the call. I was up 20%.
I think some of these SPY things are still a little messed up because I took like SPY calls and then went like $30 instantly on like not that big of a move at all.
Yeah.
Then I sold them immediately.
See what Apple's doing. Okay. Yeah, I just gotta get.
All right, has everything cooled off option premium wise?
Oh, this thing is dropping again.
I would honestly like to see 360s though.
Everything cooled off option premium. We good? The spread's not fucked. Okay,
should be all right.
Oh my God, Tesla's now at 642, bro. Oh my God, I would have pulled 100% out. No way. Yo, I might sell another Tesla cover
Oh,
call.
let me look at Tesla. Oh, I got pulled.
You're gonna sell some more Tesla cover calls now?
Dude, I'm honestly about to, bro. I'm looking at the 655 call right now for $300. About to bank another 300.
Well, not
Seven-
5,500 today, so we're good.
750 bucks out of Tesla in one day. I'm down.
I'm down. I'm way down.
Oh God, I'm so
Oh,
sorry.
it looks like it's gonna break
Hey, I'm
here.
pulling these
Alright,
SPY
yeah,
calls
look at
to
that. There
VWAP,
goes,
baby. 365.
I just don't want to.
Yeah, boy.
I can still grab something out of this. 366.
Yeah, it breaks above here. Yep, 365. Yeah, 20-ish.
Yep. Maybe even
Market went down.
366.
And then you break that, break 365 20-ish, then you could actually get some nice little bullish momentum going on the upside.
Yeah, we got some good wicks to the upside. Couple thousand shares going through on the tape.
Did you see my $100 purchase for Tesla?
No.
My 100 share purchase for just for see how much it was.
Oh, I know how much it was. That's absurd. I didn't see it on the tape.
Oh, that's sad. It makes me upset.
Well, unfortunately, you're about 400 shares short of appearing on my tape.
Ah. Damn.
Birdie, that sounded like a challenge right there.
Oh, listen, brother. All right, I am down to like just barely enough to cover my positions right now because I bought a hell of a lot of shit earlier this week. So not buying anything huge right now, but next week probably we'll find out.
Yeah, baby.
My whole goal is to say anywhere between -12 to -15%. My goal. And right now we're at 9.
Okay, let's see what we do here.
Do I just take profits now? Up like 40%?
I should have stayed in those calls, Michael. I chickened out.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it did invalidate our ideology, except I just literally was looking away and it wicked back up, and then so I just got lucky. But yeah.
I should probably take some off the table right now. At least for me, I'm gonna sell. I'm not gonna make the same mistake.
I want to see 365 before I sell, but I might be being too greedy.
What was your entry? Michael, what was your entry price?
360. Well, it was an option, but I got in at like 362, 80 something.
See, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, see, this is what I need. When I say entry price, I'm usually asking for the share price of which you entered into the options contract because that helps me on dollar per share move. So what?
Yeah.
So you entered at 362.5 thereabout. What's SPY trading at right now?
We'll just round up to 363, and it's trading at 364.90.
Okay, so what's the percent ROI on that? Right? Oh my God, whose fire detector is that?
Yeah, seriously, you gotta take the battery out of that thing or something, dude.
No, I'm up to 20% right now.
That just needs the
Down
fucking
a little
mic.
bit. Still a couple thousand shares going through the tape though, so I have faith that this could go higher.
Yeah, I don't know whose fire alarm that is, but that my buddy thought that was ours in our rental.
It's all right. I muted my mic.
No. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be giving you a hard time, but I'm watching my buddy. He was walking around yesterday, looking up at the ceiling. So we can just sit and laugh at him.
Yeah,
Damn,
honestly,
I'm gonna be tan as fuck.
Nice.
Go ahead, Michael.
Honestly,
My bad.
Oh, you're good. Yeah, I was gonna say if SPY wants to, I mean, we're basing out a little bit up here at the top, but if we want to break through 365.25, I think Montana was saying that earlier, then really we could start pushing to the upside.
Is it me, or do you guys see this top secret pod project down here at the bottom?
Yeah, I did see that. I'm glad
that
that
I'm
that's
not the only
there.
one. I'm glad that I'm not the only
It's
one.
Somebody say top secret project.
hey,
Yeah. They're
Yeah, I
bringing
see
back
it
hopefully
too.
Investors Lounge, bro. Shit's so much easier to type in.
Oh,
Birdie just hates.
I hate how the fact I gotta like click on that shit
I
because it's
know,
like
I hate it
I'm
too.
running like 16 different things at once.
I don't know why. I don't know why it was done. It was. I believe the reasoning was that we're trying to make the channels more efficient. But investors, the trading stage has their own trading chat. So I don't know. I don't know, guys. I'm sorry about it. I've mentioned it
I
multiple
feel
times.
like that should have its own fucking thing.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that would make more sense because you can't talk in that channel. But
Yeah.
I'm canceling my membership because of this shit.
wait, what? What did you say?
Get it fixed or I'm canceling.
Yeah,
What?
we're gonna throw a riot. We're gonna petition a riot this fucking channel.
Yo, Bubba, you ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, Clayton knows I have too many questions about these damn covered calls. I don't know if I have to run to be leaving anytime soon.
I gotta keep the conversation going. Yo, Bubs, I'm buying you a new house to stay, bro. I'll drop $300K on the house just for you to keep your $35 a month.
Feels you. That'd be dope.
Yeah, he's just like, I'll have my people call your people.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey, right side today, I even after that horrendous sell off and being unable to sell, I made back pretty much all of it. So that's very nice.
I'm happy for you.
Type.
I'm still down $215 where I was down $850.
Hey, that's a lot better than 850 though.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, that does suck. Like I would be pissed if that
Oh, dude, no. When TD
I had
finally answers
larger.
me, they're getting a new fucking asshole torn into them.
Yeah, they had responded to me and I was like they told me that it was a market or an exchange wide issue and that they couldn't do anything. I was like, yeah, I understand. That's just I know a lot of people that lost some money off of that, so
Yeah, like,
sucks.
stand, but that's bull.
Yeah, that's like a horseshit answer. You know there's nothing you can do about it. Motherfucker, you're a multi-billion-dollar company. You telling me there's nothing you can do about that?
Oh,
Really?
you can probably get refunded. I mean, if you I don't know, but like depending on your account size and how long you've been with them and how much you push for it, you might get refunded. They
I would
refunded
assume so.
They credited my account like $75 when I tried transferring over from WEBULL because WEBULL charged $75 to do that. And they were
And
like,
they,
"Yeah, we'll
wow,
just
that
credit
well,
that."
that's really nice of them.
I know. I was like, "Really? Wow, that's." I was like shocked, and they're like, "Yeah, cool."
Here's your lunch for the next couple days.
Yeah. Well, then I paid it back in all commissions.
Michael.
What?
We got the commissions are 65 cents a contract.
I'm not worried about it. That's what I'm saying. Like it's
You use that as your buffer for the commissions for the trades you've taken.
I haven't even thought about the commissions from the trades I've taken. I'm just saying that they still are profiting even though they gave me 75. But yeah, no, I've gotten out of the worrying so much about the commission.
All right,
That
I got. Oh
go
wait,
ahead.
we won't have any fucking. Oh, you know what? Actually, yeah, we will. All right, I got a question. If we can figure out how to get, I'm on. I'm in Siesta Key right now, and this house is right on the lake or right on a river, and I don't know what fucking river it is, but the water looks fucking gross, and I'm wondering if I should get in the water and go kayaking and stop being a little bitch or check and see.
I think so.
You ever drink out of the fucking garden hose?
Dude, Birdie, I just got
Garden hose and
I just got a
river is different.
disgusting image of you sucking on a garden hose, brother.
I used to do
Bro,
that
if
all
you
the time with my
if you
brother
didn't
when I
drink
was
out of a
young.
garden hose, then I don't want to shut up. But if you drink out of one, you're fine. I'm telling you, like
So is that like the outside version of eating paint chips, Birdie?